So when I did Yuka, the last question that Prasad ji asked, when somebody comes and becomes an Aurovillian, they have to purchase a property. But a lot of youngsters are now turning towards Auroville and they are finding their aspiration here. And when they come here and the newcomer phase is over, they have to find a place, and the only way to do it is to buy a property. Not everybody will come with 30 or 40 or 20,000, 20 lakhs in their pocket. Okay, so which I understood this time that yes, they are also aware of it and they are acknowledging the problem, and they are saying that if we raise funds and whether through government or through our economic zones, and we thrivingly do a lot of activities which can bring in funds, and we reduce from, we change our approach from want-based to need-based living, and which is the idea of community living. So then we can obviously accommodate anybody, whether it's a youngster, whether anybody who has come with a lot of money, whether somebody has come who's left everything behind and has come with no money but has a lot of aspiration to work here with the mother's dream. So yes, they are ready for it. I'm sure they are working towards it. It was very interesting to hear everybody's comments on how Golkund was achieved. And that Golkund was achieved at a time where there was a lot of crisis, and somebody asked mother that how are you making Golkund when you cannot feed all the ashramites? And the answer was so nice that somebody is giving funds for Golkund to happen, and it will happen. And it actually, they accomplished it. Also, when Manu says that we are open to not just architects, anybody who has any idea about architecture, or suppose a kid comes telling, I want in my school this kind of a slide, so you can come to us. So we want to have an open space where people can come and give their ideas and also work with us. So which was a fantastic thing, which is like in the spirit of Auroville, that we do not we don't want people only with degrees or with certain kind of specific specializations. You can come in with your ideas and you can give the ideas, and we can help you integrate and you can work with us. So which was fantastic. So this was a wonderful session today. It was inspiring for a youngster to want to become an Aurovillian. And it is quite possible because there's so much of opening, there's so much of acceptance, which sometimes when you're outside, so I'm glad that I attended it. When you're outside and when you hear things in a diluted conversation, you get a little discouraged because you don't get the right information. So today we had people from ATDC, and looking at their confidence level, looking at their the strong desire to fulfill mother's dream, and to invite and accept anybody who is willing to do so. So it's very inspiring and encouraging for a youngster to experiment, come to the space, and if it works out, to become an Aurovillian.